You're an international student and you wish to apply to an apprenticeship program in France. Start off by applying to the university or school directly via their website or through Campus France of your country when necessary. Also, apply on numiA, the CFA app, which will assist you in your search for an apprenticeship and all along your contract. If you're already looking for your future apprenticeship employer, don't forget that the CFA advisor is there to help you.
It's time now to start the administrative process. You live abroad and you wish to study in France? There are three kinds of international students. Your home country is a member of the European Union. Therefore, you're allowed to work in France with a valid passport or ID. Be aware that a driving license is not a valid ID. Your country is outside the European Union? Start the mandatory process as soon as possible with Campus France, who will explain all the necessary requirements and help you obtain your visa. To sign an apprenticeship contract, you need a visa extension called titre de séjour, stating that you are authorized to work. This gives you the right to work full-time. You're from Algeria? A work permit called autorisation de travail will be necessary on top of your titre de séjour visa. Have you thought about your national insurance number, which is mandatory for your future contract? You need to connect to amélie.fr, the official national health insurance website from the CPAM, Caisse Primaire d'Assurance Maladie. It's easy and free of charge. And last but not least, as an apprentice, you will get a monthly salary. You'll need to open a bank account in France or through an online bank.
You will find all the useful tips on numiA app in the section called Mes ressources. And of course, your CFA advisor will be there to help you throughout the administrative process. Do not hesitate to contact them. See you soon at the CFA and good luck with your search for an apprenticeship contract.